Hello everyone, welcome to the demo session on SAP ABAP. I am Lavanya from IK Softech located in Bangalore. Basically, we are a training center and we actually train on SAP modules. So SAP ABAP, MM, HCM, Technical, SD, FICO. All right. So moving on, I'm going to cover these contents in this video. What is SAP? A basic introduction and a definition about ERP, other systems which are other ERP systems which are in the field now. Then why SAP is important? What are the SAP modules we have? And what is SAP ABAP? Moving on, what is SAP? SAP is nothing but systems, applications, and products. So it is a software which works on the daily affairs of our enterprises, be it a smallest to smallest company to a biggest to biggest company. ERP is nothing but your enterprise resource planning. Basically, it is a three-tier architecture planning, which works as presentation layer, application layer, and database layer, wherein presentation layer will be your user interface layer, which you will see. Then application layer is where all your program runs, the background, these all happens in the background. Then coming to the database layer, the program fetches all the data from this DB. It works as a memory space. So basically, SAP has right now SAP has like 230 million cloud users. So also has 100 solutions covering in all business functions. So as of now, it is the largest cloud provider. Moving on, what is an ERP? ERP is a kind of software system. It helps to run your entire business, be it finance, manufacturing, supply chain, procurement, or your services, or HR management, or any of it which includes in the business. Then this is how it connects. You have an DB and all of your different departments are connected to one DB, be it finance, R&D or engineering, asset, sales, manufacturing, supply, services, or any of that. Then moving on, what are the other ERP systems? The other ERP systems in the market nowadays are Sage Intacct, Oracle, SAP S/4HANA is the one updated version SAP has come up with, NetSuite ERP, Oracle, then Microsoft Dynamics 365. What does SAP do and why is it important? So basically, SAP is an intelligence suite which is completely for a digital platform. So basically, in olden days, if you see, there used to be a business and people used to write the receipt and give it. Nowadays, everything has been digital. So they'll just click on a form and everything will be filled by itself and you will get a receipt. In the same way, it actually eliminates the duplication and redundancy in data. So say you have a mobile center. So he has n number of mobiles. So, and it will be like different products and again, different brands. So what happens there is, instead of having different brands, what all they have and what all they have sailed in a different two tables, they'll merge all the data in a single table and they'll reduce the redundancy and also the duplication in the data. Then the data processing. So how this works is, say you already have a table of manufacturing your products which have been manufactured. So somewhere someone in the sales can see that and it is available. So that is how your data process or the information flow across your organization, even for the different departments as well. Then moving on, different modules in SAP. So we basically have two main modules. One is SAP technical module and SAP functional module. Under technical module, we have SAP ABAP and SAP Basis. Then we have material management in functional module, sales distribution, plant management, production planning, human capital management, which we also call as HR, finance and controlling, and so many other modules. So saying in brief, SAP ABAP is a technical module which works in the development, as in, so you have an interface, you expect something to be done and everything of all your expectations will be done by an SAP ABAPer or a consultant, and you'll have your user interface. In the same way in the material management, so there you'll learn how to manage the material, sales distribution. You'll learn how the distribution of the sale is across the entire organization, how to manage that. Plant management, say you have one plant, the maintenance of the plant from your say the tube lights to your entire building structure. Then production planning will be, say you are a civil engineer, so what happens in that is, so you have to plan how many what is your material, then how much time you need, and all this that comes under your production planning. Then human capital management, so if you are MBA HR, you would probably know. So what they do is they'll actually manage the HR, like the people who work their details in the HCM or HR app. Then finance and controlling, as we all know, it works with the finance. Then moving on to SAP ABAP in detail. So ABAP is actually a programming language for SAP. So it is nothing but advanced business application programming. So this runs with only SAP environment, and it is also created by SAP itself. So here we learn RISE of concepts, so which is nothing but report interfaces, extensions, forms, and workflows. So with a basic brief, reports is nothing but when you have a table and see your sales or technical lead will come and ask you to get the final sales of each day. So then you can show it up in the reports. So interfaces, as in you have different interfaces. You'll go on learn and deep in the next sessions. Then extensions, as in all your extensions comes in picture, like iDoc and all. Then forms, as in smart forms, scripts. Now it has been Adobe Forms. Then also we have conversions. So this is what you learn in the basic demo. So in future, we are going to dig up more about this RISE of concepts. So by this, I'll end up the session, and kindly keep an eye on us for the next classes and for the more contacts. Thank you all.